The Luna Paint extension for VS Code makes it easy to crop images directly within the editor. Now here I've already installed Luna Paint, and to get started all you need to do is open an image file. So I'll click on this image file over in the Explorer, and that will open up in Luna Paint. Now if you're not seeing all of the Luna Paint controls here, try right-clicking on the Image tab up in the editor bar and say Reopen Editor With, and then making sure you selected the Luna Paint image editor. So we want to make sure that the image is currently open in the Luna Paint image editor. Now that we have the image open, we can go and select the area that we want to crop. So I'm going to go and zoom out a little bit here. And this is actually an image that I generated using Stable Diffusion. So there's two images next to each other. And in this case, I just want this left-hand image. I don't want this right-hand image, which is a different output. So I'm going to select the crop tool over here. You can also press C to select the crop tool, and then go and select the area that I want to go and crop things to. So I'll go and make my selection here, select that left-hand image. And now you can see that I've gone and cropped the image just to the area that I went and selected. At this point, I could further refine the cropping or undo the cropping if I wanted to, but I'm pretty happy with the result, so I'm just going to save it to disk by pressing Ctrl S or Command S to go and save the results. Now if I go and close this file and then reopen it, notice how it's going and reopening the cropped image. So even the file that has been written to disk is now the cropped version of that image instead of the one with the two images next to each other. Again, the nice thing about this is that I never had to leave VS Code to go and perform that crop. I could just use Luna Paint, make my simple crop, and then save the result to disk all directly within VS Code. So that's how you can use the Luna Paint extension to crop images directly within VS Code.